Hey, my name is Mark and welcome to my channel, Fishing Around Colorado Springs. I am not in Colorado right now. I'm in beautiful Bonita Springs, Florida, and I went fishing and I caught some really beautiful whiting, and I also caught a spotted sea trout, or it's also called speckled. And I'm going to show you how I pan fry my fish. And I'm keeping very true to how my grandfather and how my mother taught me how to do this. So, yeah, bear with me on this one. This is a really good, simple recipe, and it's very delicious. I have my pan here ready to go, and I'm just going to get some butter. And I'm going to get that butter in the skillet. The skillet's already heated up. This is the speckled trout. Here's a whiting. And here's a small whiting. I'm just going to use some salt. Get it on the inside, flip it over. And just a little pepper. And I'm going to let this fish cook for about 4 minutes per side. I'm going to keep a lid on it. Okay, it's been exactly 4 minutes. I'm going to flip the fish over. It may need a little bit longer on each side, but I want to get it evenly cooked. So now it's looking really good. You can tell when it's done when it starts flaking. So this side is going to need a little bit longer. The smaller fish, probably not so much. But so far it's looking good. 4 minutes on this side. All right, it has been 4 minutes on the second side. Check it out. Wow, it's looking amazing. I think it's almost pretty much done. And it's getting really nice and brown on that side. Maybe brown it up a little bit more on the first side. We want to make sure that the fish will flake easily off the bone. So it's okay to give it another minute maybe on this side and maybe another minute on the other side. But I definitely want the meat to flake right off the bone. Alright, it looks like it's done. It's for 4 minutes aside, and then I went ahead and flipped it once and did another minute and a half on each side just to make sure that it was nice and cooked, and it's looking great. Try the whiting first. But what I do is I just take my fork and I peel it right off the bone, just like that. Should be delicious and mild. I barely put any salt and pepper on it, so I'm going to get really the true taste of this fish. That's amazing. I believe that this is the trout. Do the same thing. This is the back end. That's equally delicious. So between the two, the whitefish has a little bit more of a firmer taste to it, and this trout has a softer taste. But as far as the fishiness and the flavor, they're both very mild. So that is how I pan fry my fish. When I'm down here in Bonita Springs, Florida, I'm staying very true to my mother's recipe and my grandfather's recipe. They're both very delicious. And if you missed the how I cleaned this fish, go ahead and check out those videos as well. So make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications, and you have yourself a fabulous time fishing.